Hi everyone, it's Melody Lane here, and today we're going to be using this one. It's called Rainbow, and we're going to put it on some coasters, and we're going to do the coasters all at one time. We're going to use the square coasters, and they're all going to match, and they're going to be done on one press, and we're going to use the 9x9 press, so you can use your original Easy Press or the Easy Press 2, the medium one or the large one. Either one of them will work. All right, let's get started. Here's my project I'm doing. These are coasters. These coasters are in Cricut Access. All you have to do is search coasters in Cricut Access, and there's so many of them. These were different colors, but I attached them so I could do this correctly. And I have a box around here, and you're gonna see why. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna click Make It. Oh, and we have to mirror. Don't forget to mirror. Very important. And then we're going to click Continue. And we're going to click on Infusible Ink Transfer Sheets. If you don't have this right here, because if you've never used it, you won't. I made it one of my favorites. But to find it for the first time, just search Infusible. And it'll come up, Infusible Ink Transfer Sheet. And I just start it, so it's always up there for me to use. So we're going to click on that. Puts a little check mark there. And it has a note right here. Make sure mirror is turned on and your ironed on material is face shiny side down on the mat. Okay, so here are the coasters we're going to be doing. So when we iron them on, they're going to be like this. I have not even opened this. And you want to keep these boxes. Do not throw these boxes away. For one thing, you'll never know what the material is if you don't have this box. You get this. This is how it comes in the roll. This protects it from getting any moisture on it. So this is like vacuum sealed on this one. So we're gonna pull that up, just cut that off. You do not want to touch this if your hands are sweaty, wet, oily. Do not put fresh lotion on right before you do this. You need dry hands. You also get this little thing to help get moisture. Put this back in the box to use in the box and save for later. You also get a little sample piece that you can use this to practice on if you want to cut a little piece and see how that works. There are directions even on how to use this at Cricut.com, and I'll put links in the description below that have all the directions of how to use all of the Infusible ink products. And you get a little paper that says carefully follow instructions at infusible.ink.com. That's really important. You also get butcher paper. This is not parchment paper or wax paper or freezer paper. You need this to take the moisture out of your projects and to protect them. Okay. Now let's see. Oh my gosh. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh, this is kind of like, now I know why they call this rainbow. Oh my gosh, this kind of look like clouds. And this is a rainbow. This is nothing like that picture looked. Oh my gosh. Because I looked at this and I kind of thought, why do they call that rainbow? This is amazing. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so excited. Even more excited than I was. And look. This is a cloud. Okay, I have to order more of this on June 16th when it's available at michaels.com. I'm totally ordering more. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. All right, we're gonna lay this on the mat, on the standard grit mat. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is gonna be my favorite. I have not seen this. This is so pretty. Okay, you guys, I just had to take a break for a minute to share this. I just shared this on Facebook because I am so freaking excited because I saw this and I like the ombre of this and I thought that was pretty. I did not realize that it looks like this. Like this is so amazing. I'm so happy, so excited. And look, this is like the sky. I don't think this does it justice. Like, I think it'll be better than this. Like, it's just so cool. This is the clouds. I am so freaking excited. And we're gonna load it into the machine. And it's gonna be cutting a lot. So pretty. Okay, we're gonna unload. You guys, I had no idea this was this beautiful. I am so freaking excited. So excited. So let's weed this. Okay, so this square around here I have cut so it will cut all the way through the transfer sheet. So I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna flip this over. And I'm gonna save all of this that I'm not using for more projects. I'm even gonna save these little stripes because I could use those as little lines on a shirt. Add it to anything. Now I have to carefully take this off. Put the plastic back on the mat. Okay, and I also got a piece of, this is just plain white cardstock. This I'm putting over my Easy Press mat. We do need to use the Easy Press mat. I'm putting it over that to protect it. Oh my gosh. And this, we're gonna start weeding as soon as I turn on my Easy Press. Okay, we're gonna turn on the Easy Press mat, not mat, machine. We're going to turn on the Easy Press machine and we are going to look up the directions. Okay, we are going to find out what to set the Easy Press to. So to do that, we're going to click on the Easy Press we want to use. I want to use the Easy Press 2. If you have the original Easy Press, just click on this Easy Press. So I'm going to use this one. And we're going to select our material. We are using Infusible ink transfer sheet. And what are we using? A square coaster, not the ceramic coaster. And we're going to click on apply. And there it says 400 degrees and 60 seconds. If you want Celsius, you can just click this little button here and it will tell you Celsius. And you can put your Easy Press to Celsius. All right, let's set that up. So I'm going to turn on my Easy Press, hit the temperature, and I'm going to go up. I'm just going to hold it down and it'll go up by 10 to 400. That's the highest it'll go. Now I'm going to hit the timer and go up to 60. I didn't hit the timer. It will blink. There we go. All right, we're all set. Okay, we have this warming up. So I'm gonna try to weed this just with my fingers for now because you can roll it and kind of crack it and you can just pull it apart with your fingers. So I'm gonna get the corner from inside. It makes it easier than trying to grab the corner here. There we go. Need something to get it started. It kind of feels like paper. So now I'm going to kind of bend it, and these little pieces kind of pop out. And we're going to weed all of these inside pieces away. So what we keep are the outside color. And then when we do this, we're going to keep it just like that. So you have an idea of how to weed it. You want to keep the inside of each letter there. So the letters will be white. So we're weeding away the letters. You might be able to keep these letters and lay them on another project to use. These little stars. You can reuse, like you can reuse these. You would just lay them on a project or on a shirt. You'd have to place them all singly together, not have them on a transfer sheet, but you could do it. Remember to keep the inside of the letter. That one is completely done. I'm going to bend this and kind of lift all these up. See, I kept the middle of the heart in there. Okay, it's all weeded. So excited. I'm gonna set this to the side. Okay, now I'm gonna prepare my coasters. I'm gonna set my coasters up. Make sure you wipe your coasters with a lint-free cloth. And I'm gonna lay this face down on my coasters. Now I'm going to use my heat-resistant tape because I need this to lay down. So we're going to tape this down. I don't want it to move during the process. Okay, so now we're going to cover this. We have this all set, and I have this taped down so it doesn't roll up. I have my 4 coasters under here, and we're going to put some butcher paper on, and then get our easy press. Put it over, make sure it covers the entire image. Just going to make sure I don't see any of that. So we're going to set this to 60 seconds. And we're going to lift it straight up. And then we're going to let this completely cool. So I'm not going to touch it until it's completely cool. Otherwise, it can move around and it will mess up. Okay, we're going to pull this off. Look at how pretty it is. Oh my gosh. Be kind, be happy, dare to dream, and make it happen. So pretty. Oh my. Gotta take a picture. You guys, I am so excited. Every time I do a project, it turns out so much better than I imagined it would turn out. Please be kind, be happy, dare to dream, and make it happen. You too can have a set of these coasters. They'll turn out perfectly. Isn't that awesome? But these images are in Access. All you have to do is insert them. They're already the correct size for the coasters. So excited. So I am keeping this one, but then I am going to give away each one of these to somebody new. So here's what I'm going to do. There are going to be 3 winners. You get a little coaster, but these will be great to have on your craft table while you're crafting. You can get them wet. You can wash them with Windex, just not a harsh scrubby or anything like that. But you can use Windex or glass cleaner. You can get wet from your glass. They're so awesome. I'm so excited. So comment below and we're gonna do a random comment picker. So they're gonna pick a comment. You only have 48 hours from when this video was posted. So after 48 hours, I'm gonna choose 3 winners and they will each win just one of these finished coasters. If I reply to your comment with "you are a winner," I will need your address and you can email that to me. So excited, guys. So thank you so much for watching. And the Infusible ink will be available at Michael's online on June 16th. Sunday, June 16th. I might be up till midnight on June 15th. I need to order more of this. There's a couple of them. I'm like, I need that. I need more of this. I cannot wait to use this one again. I want to use it on a shirt and bags and more coast. These are so freaking pretty. I'm so excited. Here's a shout out to a few of the people who support this channel on Patreon. Glenda's Creative Place, Lori, Sue, Ron, Lena, Penny, Sandra, Dawn, Robin, Laura, Letitia, Leilana, Jacqueline, Bonnie, Tammy, Vivian, Darlene, Terry, Kiona, Erica, Jean, Sonia, Deborah, Carrie, Latasha, Trisha, Vanessa, Patricia, Wendy, Terry, Hillary, Carol, Amanda, Capian, Dixie, Liana, Esty, Diane, Michelle, Angela, Wendy, Bonnie, Carol, Patricia, Linda, Kim, Saya, Beth, Marion, Diane, Maria, Patricia, Sandy, Trish, Lisa, Annie, Jerry, Peggy, Sonia, Becky, Eva, Stephanie, Lisa, Brittany, Judy, Jennifer, Amy, Anissa, Heather, Bridgetta, Kathy, Millie, Nicole, Kimberly, Amanda, Jeannie, Patricia, Johnny, Shauna, Karen, Susan, Barbara, Nancy, Catherine, Leslie, Susan, Meta, Melinda, Christine, Tony, Rose, Mary Jane, Mickey, Margarita, Jen, and Christy. And thank you. A big shout out to my co-sponsors. You guys are amazing. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck. Comment below. And I love you. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.